Here, Kiki.
Good space going out of school.
No, right here. Oh, thank you. Gotcha.
Not only to you, but to her. And I'm just trying to make it right.
The only way to make it right is to go back in there and figure out the ending on your marriage. You just settle it, Jake, one way or the other.
Gentle. Oh!
Hey, what happened?
What? She just smacked him.
You can't eat her. Oh.
This tree has sustained significant damage to its bark. Look, move these.
Oh!
Why you bully me?
Beckett, be soft, be soft. No, 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 no. Be soft, soft. Said it. Remember how mommy showed you? No, no, no.
So that's how you do it, right? Somebody just had to show me.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weed.
Be nice to him. He's your kitten. He'll get you.
Oh no, don't put us facing her.
injury from lifting, or if you're injured suddenly from a slip, fall, or machine. And even if the injury was your fault.
Oh. Uh-oh. Are you snuggling with Jack? Leah? Is Jack cuddling with you? Yeah, is he taking a little nap? He's such a good boy.
I need to
Say hi, Shadow.
So, I say.
Experience your sport, your entertainment bag. Want edge of your seat, eye-pounding entertainment that's also affordable? IHSAA tournament basketball games are fun, exciting, and a real bargain for the whole family. Your spirit, your sport, your entertainment bag.
Be sure my fuck. Be sure my fuck.
What are you doing? She doesn't. Hey!
Oh, that's a
Easy. Can you rock it? Oh, that is so sweet.
Booze!